Addition and subtraction of decimal numbers is just like addition and subtraction of whole numbers. We have to put each digit at its proper place. The only extra rule is that the decimal points must be in a straight line. You can see it over here, and the rest of the thing is the same, exactly the same. So at hundreds place we have 1, and then 6 plus 3 is 9, and then comes the decimal, and it's 7. So 7.91 is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2, 15 plus 7.22. Adding it correctly requires writing it correctly. Writing the digits at their proper places, and then we can add them as we add any whole numbers. There's nothing to add to 0.22. We are going to write it as it is. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 is carried forward, and the answer is 22.22.